In this tutorial, I'll show you how to monetize your Quora Space account. This is my Quora Space account on weight loss and I want to monetize it. I have one article on it already. First, you need to have a Quora account. After creating your Quora Space account, you're going to have this pop-up here. Monetize answers and posts in your space. Even without you dropping any article, you still get this here. But in my case, I posted an article first just for them to know that I'm serious. Click on get started, click on start. And the countries, they don't allow some countries. It depends on your geographical area. I'm living in Canada. I'll click and submit. That's the name of my Quora Space, lose weight on, not monetized, space monetization programs. In the next step, you will choose which programs you want to enable for your space. Because some people might opt some of them out, but in my case, I'll apply for all of them. Space subscription. That means this offer a paid subscription directly to followers of your space. Some of them, if they like your articles, they would like to subscribe to your space, and whenever you drop an article, they don't want to mix it. But that is when you are writing good articles and you have a lot of followers who keep reading your articles, and the more people read your articles, the more Quora pushes it up in the algorithms. For beginners, don't worry much about it, but this is good. Quora plus revenue sharing. This is when Quora runs ads on your articles or on your Quora space and money from views on content you sell for Quora plus subscribers. Then the last but not least, ad revenue sharing. Receive a portion of revenue generated by ads shown in your space. This is for the content you share, and this is for the ads. This is for when people subscribe and they are paying monthly to read your articles or other articles, similar to medium.com. And this is for the ads that Quora will place on your article. Next, then lose weight on, not mention, not monetize. Space subscription. It's gonna give you the details of the space subscription, how it works, set a monthly and yearly price, choose content to paywall in your space, and from subscriber fees, click enable. You are offering a subscription to your space. Next, Quora revenue sharing. Choose content in your space to paywall, and when people who subscribe to your Quora plus read your paywall account content. I'm gonna enable. Then you've enabled Quora plus revenue sharing. Next, add revenue sharing. How it works, this is when people click enable and from add impression in your space. This is all good, similar to YouTube. Let's enable it. You've enabled ad revenue sharing. Go to my space. Bam. Guess what? This space is participating in Quora plus revenue sharing. I'm gonna leave it like this. We good. Moving forward, when people read my article, I'm gonna make some money. Then you have to create good articles on these platforms. All right. Like I said, I have one, but the purpose of this account is to draw traffic and also to be able to build followers to promote other products that I have as an affiliate marketer. All right, this is good. All right, and I'll advise you to use articles or a proper landing page to drive traffic to other links. Don't just drop affiliate links here. If not, you're gonna get kicked out. And I believe every Quora Space account you set, it comes with monetization bells and whistles. So this is the end of the tutorial. Thanks for your time. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to this channel.